In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted contacts from Gmail and Google Contacts. If you've accidentally removed someone from your address book, don't worry. Google gives you two reliable ways to get contacts back: restoring specific entries from the trash and rolling your entire contacts list back to a previous point in time. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the one that fits your situation. First, open your browser and go to contacts.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you juggle personal and work profiles. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and open Trash. In some regions, this is labeled Bin. This is where recently deleted contacts live for a limited time before they're permanently removed. Inside, you'll see the contacts you deleted along with when they were removed. Select the contact or contacts you want back, then click Recover. Those entries will be returned to your main contacts list, and any labels they had should come back as well. This approach is perfect when you know exactly which names you deleted. If you don't see what you need in Trash, or if you made multiple changes like edits, merges, or bulk deletions and want to undo them all at once, use the time-based restore. In the top right, click the gear icon to open settings. Choose undo changes. You'll be prompted to pick how far back you want to roll your contacts, such as 10 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, or a custom time within the recent window. Select the point before the deletion or edits happened, then click undo. This reverts your entire Google contacts to how they looked at that moment, which is incredibly helpful after a big mistake. Just keep in mind that this affects all contacts in that account, not only one or two. After restoring, return to your contacts list and search for the names you recovered to confirm they're back. If you sync contacts to your phone, give it a minute to update or open your contacts app and refresh. If you still don't see them on mobile, double check that you're viewing the same Google account there. A couple of quick tips as you finish up. The trash method is great for surgical recoveries, while undo changes is best for broader rollbacks. Also, the time-based restore only works within the recent recovery window, so act as soon as you notice something's missing. That's it. Your contacts should be back and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.